Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get more of these no-nonsense nutrition videos. Hi everyone, I'm Amrita and welcome to my channel Frise and Shine. Here you will find evidence-based, no-nonsense, nutrition-related information, and today's video is about whether or not Tropicana apple fruit juice is really healthy for you. So most people, when they hear the phrase fruit juice, they think, oh, it's great for your health because fruit is great for health. Unfortunately, fruit juice doesn't have the same effects on health as whole fruit has. Now to make my point of how and why this is the case, I'm going to use the 200 ml pack of Tropicana Apple Delight fruit juice. The very first thing that strikes me when I look at the product is that the nutrition label is for 100 ml of the product, but what you are drinking is the entire 200 ml Tetra pack. Now most of us, once we open the juice box, we tend to drink the entire thing. And so I'm going to review the nutrition information for 200 ml of the Tropicana juice. If you look at the nutrient label for this product, you'll see that there are no significant nutrients in here except carbohydrates. Now, of course, carbs are important, but what is more important is what the quality of the carb is that you are eating or drinking. The kind of carbs found in fruits are generally fiber and sugar. Yes, fiber is a carb. So 200 ml of this juice box has 24 grams of carbohydrates. Now before we decide whether this is good or bad for us, we need to look at what kind of carbs these are. How much of this is sugar and how much of this is fiber. So this label clearly states that of the 24.2 grams of total carbs in this product, 24 grams is sugar. Oops, it seems like they've completely removed all fiber, one of the nutrients that makes fruit so healthy, from this fruit juice. Now you might be thinking, but fruit sugar is natural sugar, so it's not a problem. But it is still a problem. Inside your body, all sugar is treated the same way, no matter where it comes from. And you always want to eat sugar with fiber because the fiber in your food will slow down digestion and the absorption of sugar and will make sure that there are no sudden blood sugar spikes in the body. This can really benefit people who have conditions like pre-diabetes, diabetes, PCOS, and even women who are pregnant. Even if you don't have any of the above mentioned conditions, blood sugar balance is still important for you in order to prevent the development of any of these. And the bigger problem in this case is that all the sugar in this juice box is not natural. If you look at the ingredients label, you see that they've used concentrated fruit juice, and then the next ingredient is sugar. This sugar is added sugar to make the product sweeter. There is no other nutrient of significant value in this product, and you would basically be only drinking flavored sugar water. I can only think of two cases in which this product might fit into your diet. The first is as part of your post-exercise or post-workout meal. At this point, your body requires that burst of insulin which this drink would give you in order to speed in muscle repair and recovery. Even in that case though, you would have to pair this juice along with some source of protein. The second instance is in the case of when someone has diabetes and is experiencing a low blood sugar. This juice box can help instantly increase and spike blood glucose levels and can help prevent a health emergency. So eat your fruit whole as much as you can, and if you do consume fruit juice, do so only small amounts and portions at a time. You will need to decide for yourself what a small portion is. Also squeeze them freshly as much as possible so that your fruit juice retains as many nutrients. And if you do ever pick a fruit juice box like the Tropicana fruit juice, make sure to look for words like 100% real fruit juice on the label and check the ingredients panel to make sure that there is no kind of added sugar. But once again, eat whole fruit as much as possible. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel and share this video with others who will also find it helpful. If you have any questions or concerns, You can reach out to me in the comments, over email, or on Instagram. I hope to hear from you very soon. Until then, take care and keep shining.